To earn your Typing Club badge for lessons 1 through 23, for example, you need to take a screenshot of the lessons that you have completed. To do that, log into Typing Club, click on the first lesson, and then you can see all the lessons that you've completed. What I'm looking for is for you to have this green check on lessons 1 through 23 to get your first badge, for example. But as you can see, you can't see all of them. So I need to make the screen a little bit smaller. I'm going to do that just by pinching the screen on a laptop. And then I'm going to go down to the magnifying glass, start to type in snipping tool. So SNIPPING. There it is. It's the one with the scissors. Click on that. Then this menu pops up. You're going to click on New. Then you take the plus sign and you're going to highlight everything that you wanted to take a picture of. So just drag it across, let go. And then I go up to File because I need to save this on my computer. Click on File, Save As. I'm going to put it on my desktop. So I click on the word desktop, go down here. I'm going to change it to Badge Lesson 23. Just a name that I will remember. And then click Save. I can get rid of this. And now I'm going to go back to the badging page and fill this out. Here's my Google form. Put my first name, my last name, my class. It's a typing badge. Go to Next. I have completed lessons 1 through 23, and I need to upload a screenshot of my completed levels. So I'm going to add a file and select files from your device. And remember, I put it on my desktop, so click on Desktop. And then I need to find that file I just saved, Badge Lesson 23. I'm going to double click and upload it. And then you click Submit. I will receive your information and get you your badge.